Show me how your garbage truck works, Peyton. Put the garbage can on there.
Huh?
Good job. Good job, Peyton. Okay. Get the other can. Garbage can.
Is it full now? No, it's not full. Hey, Mom, it's not full.
Uh-oh, is there nothing in there?
Is
Put
there-
some of that garbage in there. There's some garbage right there. Okay, put it in your garbage truck.
Hey, wait, I need to get a picture.
Are you gonna do that one too? Good job, bud. Okay, now do your garbage truck. Put them in your garbage truck.
Ah, that's better. I want to get some more.
Okay. Coley. 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 Go. Go. Hi. 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 Hi, Coley. Hi. Say hi. No. Peyton, do you love your garbage truck? Is it your favorite present ever? So cool. Okay, show them how you dump it. Dump this.
See what inside is?
There's garbage in there. Okay, dump it out.
Oh.
Whoa. That's really cool, Peyton.
Okay, let's get some more.
Okay, say Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy Easter, one.
Say, it's my birthday, too.
It's my birthday too.
How old are you, Peyton?
I'm 4.
You're 4.
I'm 4 years.
Yeah, you're 4 years old. I love you, Peyton.
I love you.